Hello, it's George here, and today I'm gonna show you my aloe in beautiful bloom. And this is special video. Look at it, so beauty. And this aloe I have already many years. The variety I will write in the video. So happy, and I'm gonna show you how blooming in this year of late 2022 already. We can see that we are in December, and yeah. And it means this plant blooming in every season of a year, in my case, yeah. And so beautiful. This plant I have for 13 years almost. That's good. And it was such tall plant. And yeah, now it have such size of 1 meter and 50 centimeters or stuff like that, and it is really nice, and I really love the leaves looking beautiful all. As you can see, they looking healthy, and so happy that now the plant it is in bloom, not for the first time, just started to bloom after 3 years, and then blooming in every year. And in this year it have only one spike, but it is gorgeous spike, as you can see. Another 3 flower buds here, amazing. And the leaves looks lush and also have a lot of babies, you know. As you can see, so many babies. And how do you think to let them or to cut them, and yeah, or maybe divide them in springtime, you know. I want to remove them because they consuming energy to the mother plant, and that's it. For that purpose. Well, now I'll have to tell you how I do take care for this aloe plant. And in springtime I move my aloe outside. They need fresh air, sunny, not very strong sunny, but yeah, and just they need light and fresh air and sunny, then blooming in every year, that's it. And in October or November, depending on the climate you have, I'm moving my aloe plant indoors, as you can see now, and we are in December and it is in bloom, so beautiful. Also, how I do take care, we can notice some dust on the leaves, but we have to remove the dust, you know, somehow, you know, just spray or something with water, and the dust will go away, will be a little bit more clean plant, and the oxygen got into the plant and stimulate to grow, you know, more and more, and introduce to the plant more photosynthesis, and the plant will look happy and will bloom and growing beautiful. Also, look what beautiful root system here. They are called aerial roots, and here on the top of the soil I added from the tea this, from the black tea, and it will be like fertilizer or stuff like that, and also protecting the plant to not dry this soil. Yes, it's very dry here. I mean, it's hard, strong, hard, you know, but this is more, it's like mulch here, and really helps to the soil, you know. Well, that's it for this video. Hope it was useful, and thanks a lot for watching me, and hope you enjoyed this beautiful flower. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to get notification when I post new videos. As well, you can subscribe to my photography channel if you want. Link is in the corner and in description. And also sometimes I'm going live on this channel, so you can watch me live. That's it. See you next time. Bye bye.